Hey, how's it going? Today we're gonna go over how to draw Buster Moon from Sing. He's like a koala, pretty cool looking character. But yeah, I'm gonna walk you through this step by step, and that's pretty much it. So let's get started. All right, first thing I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna go over here and draw a curved line here for the side of his face. Right on. Gonna keep pulling this line for the top of the head here. And at the top of the head, you're gonna have like the zigzag shape to show that, you know, he's fur. He's like some more hairdo up there, or fur. Pull down for this side. Let's find that nose. That nose is gonna be the biggest kind of feature on him. The nose looks a lot like a potato, something like that. Looks like a Muppet nose. Line here for the nostril, but the rest of this I'm going to fill this shape in. If you had like a pencil, if you have a pencil, you know, whatever you're using, just use that to fill it in. If not, you can just wait for me. Don't forget, I post here every weekday, so I post a lot. Don't forget, hit the subscribe and click the bell notification. Make today the day you subscribe. I post all the time. Most of you are not subscribed that watch this, so make today that day. Alright. Alrighty. Gonna go over here. Curved line on for one eye. Curved line for the other eye. Dot here for one pupil and iris. Dot over here for the other pupil and iris. Right on. Gonna go over here and I'm gonna draw his smile. Alrighty. So let's draw the obvious thing on him. He's got humongous ears. I'm going to start over here on the left side. I'm going to draw up, down for the far side. That's going to continue curving down here, but as it curves, it's going to have this zigzagginess so that it looks furry. So I'm going to keep going down at a turn here. And it looks more like furry. Same thing on this side. Try to size it out. Try to make it roughly the same size. Same thing over here. And as I'm gonna curve, I'll even mark it here where I want to, so I know where I'm gonna hit. As I'm doing this, same thing. Zigzag. Curve underneath here for the rest of his face. And it's gonna actually, right at the bottom here, it's gonna go into a bow tie. So just like a marshmallow shape, like a circle. Go over here on this side for one side of the bow tie. Over here too. Looks like a wrapped candy or something. On his neck. Keep curving. Curve over here. Alright. So there is a color differentiation, so we're gonna go over here and I'm gonna zigzag down his face just a bit, and then over here I'm gonna, same thing, zigzag curve because he's got the inner ear. Same thing on that far side. It's like some zigzagging in the inner ear. Alright, let's do his body over here. His body's small in comparison to, you know, the size of his head. So I'm gonna curve over here, and that's gonna be like, he's gonna be wearing a suit. Go over here from this end, curve down here for that area of the suit, and it's gonna drop straight down. Both sides are gonna drop straight down. It's gonna look like an H over here because I'm gonna connect a line right there. draw a straight line from this middle of the H up into the dot of that tie. Draw a dot, 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 just on the side because he's wearing like a button shirt. You just can indicate that with a dot. So let's go over here to the far end before we do the cuff there. I'm gonna do the arm. He's gonna have it like on his waist. Line up here for the cuff of his jacket. Don't forget, hit that like. Definitely when you press the like, it helps the channel out. You know, just kind of in general, it just kind of helps everything, the algorithm, etc. I'm gonna pull up here. That top of the arm, and then I'm gonna pull back into the shoulder there. And we can put his curved line here for his hand, just kind of like, you know, like being pressed against his waist. Gonna pull this down over here, the jacket, pull up just a bit into the hand. Alright. Gonna go down here, pull the opposite way. I'm gonna actually find the collar of this. I'm gonna pull line down, in, like a V inward. And it's gonna pull in. Same thing on the other end. Curve, like an inside out V, and it's gonna pull into the jacket there. Pulling a line up for the side of the jacket. Now we're gonna find his other arm from that end. It's gonna pull out, in, the same thing. Out, kind of like an elbow, but it's gonna have a, you know, not a sharp edge to that. And then I'm gonna pull a line up here, up there a little bit, like his arms just coming around the corner. Let's find his pants. Down, down, curve, curve, line up over here as well for the bottom part of his pants. And the last thing, we're gonna draw line down here for the shoe area. Curve, curve, flat line at the bottom of the shoes. And there you go. That is it. That's Buster Moon. Oh, wait. Well, if you want, you can... Yeah, no, that's it. Buster Moon's good. You can draw a microphone in his hand, but, you know, his hand's in his pocket there, so... Anyways, thanks so much. I appreciate it. Like I said, if you want to pay the channel back, the best thing you can do is to share the video. Share it anywhere you want, on Pinterest, on Twitter. Otherwise, we have donations below. I have the PayPal there. If you want to donate to the page to keep it going, basically, I spend every cent that's donated on the channel on more paper. I'm using like hundreds of these. And just everything like editing on the channel and so forth. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. And I will see you guys next time. Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, you know, for example on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff about learning how to do this stuff, you know, long term. And I get that, that's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons. So you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very, very first link. That gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy, and the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up, and you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent, and you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it. So talk to you later, and hopefully I'll catch you over there later. Thank you so much. You are amazing. Over here on the right, you're going to see my most recent upload, and on the top corner over here, you're going to see just another selection, another cool selection that has to do kind of with the subject of this video. And over here at the top, you can hit the subscribe to see a lot more. This is awesome, and I'll see you next time.